So today I thought I'd do something just a little bit different and show you guys my desk setup and what I have on it. It's nothing glamorous, but it's what gets me through the day when I'm working, doing content, or just here to have some fun. Starting here on the left, I just have a little vinyl record style drink coaster, and then I have my Bose Wave sound system remote control for whenever I want to listen to the radio or some CDs. I love having my Game Boy Micro on hand here whenever I want to just throw in some quick gaming sessions of Pokemon or Super Mario or something like that. It's great to have that. And this is my audio-technica microphone that I use for all my videos that I'm recording with now. I used to have it on a monitor arm, but I just have it on this base now. It just makes it easier to move around. Next here we have my iDog, which I absolutely love having at my desk with my iPod. I don't listen to music through it, it's just more of a decoration, but I have my iPod set up here to charge it and it will connect to my PC to add music. As you guys have definitely seen in other videos is my Divoom Didu Pro. I think this is absolutely a necessary device to have. It's just great whenever you want to listen to music from your phone on Bluetooth, and to have a little thing just to showcase some little animated stuff on it. It's really neat. And here's my PlayStation Portal. Been playing it a little bit more now that I have this charging dock, so I can have it mounted here on my desk. Definitely want to put some more time in with my PlayStation Portal because it is a really great device, and I know a lot of people hate it on it, but I absolutely love the PlayStation Portal. It's great. Now moving on to my ultimate wireless controller here. Now this is the Nintendo Switch layout, however it does work on PC as well. It is mainly my PC controller, and the button layout doesn't really confuse me, it's fine. It has a Bluetooth option, but it also has a USB dongle option, which is what I prefer to use just for latency. So I just connect this real quick to my computer whenever I want to play some PC games. My little Egon character here. And then another thing that you've definitely seen on my videos is the GB operator from Epilogue. Whenever you want to throw in some, Game Boy or GBA games on your computer and play them on there, it's great for that. Obviously it does other things like save your, game files and, a few extra little features on there. So it's definitely great to have and just have it here at the ready if I want to play some Game Boy games on my computer. And this little dog here is just my wedding ring band holder whenever I'm switching between different wedding rings that I have. I'll just use it for that. There's Yoshi as well. And then here's my GoPro Hero 6 Black. I know it's old, but I recently brought it back out. Unfortunately, the batteries that I had on it from back in the day are pretty much exhausted to where they were dying pretty quickly. So I recently just went on Amazon and bought this 3-pack battery thingy here, so you can charge up your batteries like that, and they're supposed to be lasting really long, so I can't wait to start using my GoPro again. Now these Razer Nomo Chroma speakers, I think that's what they're called. I got these from Goodwill for like 15 bucks. It was an absolute steal because they are in amazing working condition and they sound incredible. I love the little RGB lights on the bottom. You can have bass and obviously your volume controls here. They sound amazing. 15 bucks, I can't believe it. Next here is just your standard phone holder. Whenever I have my phone here at my desk and it's not in my pocket or laying on my desk, I'll use this, or if I'm watching videos on my iPhone, it's great for that. Now my coffee mug here is from Ember. I absolutely love this thing because it keeps my coffee hot the whole time. It's not sponsored, I bought this myself, but it's really great that it has a little charging base on there. It definitely keeps my drink hot all the time, which I am absolutely a fan of, especially during these cold days where your coffee gets cold right away after 10-15 minutes, so it's a great mug. Next is my PlayStation 5. Now this is not the Slim or the Pro, just the base model, the first one that came out. I don't see any need to upgrade it now, just gonna hang on to it. And then my little Legend of Zelda Game & Watch, again, just something that I can reach for whenever I want to play a quick game of Zelda. Next is my Deadpool controller stand. It's goofy, but I love it. It's just cool for holding my PlayStation 5 controller whenever I'm ready to play that. And then down here I have my media controllers for my PlayStation 5. Whenever I want to watch Netflix or something, I just use this instead of the PlayStation 5 controller and just watch them on my TV up above. Speaking of which, here are my two 32-inch monitors that I have on monitor arms and my 42-inch Samsung TV up there for whenever I'm playing PlayStation or just want to watch some Netflix. Now down here, it's kind of been hiding during the whole video, but this is my PlayStation 3 system that I still have hooked up because I do play games on it. I've been playing through Final Fantasy 13 also Brothers in Arms. And then I have my PS TV here whenever I want to play some Vita games or some PSP games on the big screen. So it's definitely nice for that. I love my PlayStation stuff. And the controller that I use for playing PlayStation 3 games is this Retro Fighters one. Now this works for the PlayStation 1, the PlayStation 2 with a dongle, and then it has a dongle so when you want to connect it to a PS3, or if you want to connect it to your PC as well to do some emulation stuff. And then last, I just want to mention this little shelf thingy here that I have. I got the parts at Home Depot. I had them cut them up for me to the dimensions that I wanted. I still need to paint it, and I do still need to screw in the legs into it, but it just kind of set it up already so I can see what it looks like. Anyway guys, that's my video. This is just what gets me through the day. Not the greatest setup, I know, but it's just what helps me get into my day-to-day work and when I'm here at my desk. Hope you guys have a great, wonderful day. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything you liked on here. I'll see you guys around. Take it easy. Bye-bye.